Looking for the best Mono's luggage to upgrade your next trip? In today's video, I'm breaking down the top Mono's suitcases known for their sleek design, durability, and smart travel features. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a weekend traveler, this guide will help you pick the perfect Mono's luggage for comfort, style, and stress-free travel. Let's begin. There are many best Mono's luggage to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best Mono's luggage from top brands that can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Trunk Luggage. The trunk luggage offers an impressive blend of capacity, durability, and convenience with a TSA-approved size that expands from 91L to 105L without exceeding airline check-in limits. Its 3:7 deep trunk design easily fits bulky items like boots, jackets, and helmets, making it ideal for long trips or international travel. Spring-loaded spinner wheels ensure smooth, quiet movement across any surface, while the 100% polycarbonate shell with reinforced aluminum corners provides exceptional impact resistance. A TSA-approved lock and anti-burst zipper keep belongings secure throughout the journey. Customers praise its spacious interior, sleek design, and lightweight feel, noting its durability even after rough airline handling. Backed by a 3-year Luggage warranty for worry-free travel. Number 2. American Tourister Stratum. The American Tourister Stratum 2.0 carry-on spinner is built for effortless 1 to 3-day getaways, offering sturdy handling with an ergonomic carbon fiber texture, trolley grip, smooth ball wheels for stable rolling, and large, easy-use zipper pulls for all hand types. Its max capacity interior includes a modesty pocket, mesh door pocket, and elastic tie tapes, while the shiny textured ABS barrel-shaped shell adds style and durability with 1-inch expansion for extra packing room. Customers praise its lightweight build, roomy design, standout appearance, and quiet wheels, noting it survives tough trips from Alaska to multi-airport journeys without issues. With excellent value, reliable construction, and smooth maneuverability, it's a carry-on traveler's trust. Number 3. Hang Top Opening Carry-On. The Hang Top Opening Carry-On offers a 22x14x9 airline-approved design with 40L capacity, weighing just 8 pounds. Ideal for international, weekender, or business travel. Built with a reinforced aluminum frame and 3-layer 100% polycarbonate shell, it's lightweight, shatterproof, and 30% tougher than standard luggage. Its revolutionary top-opening trunk design allows vertical access in tight spaces, while the wide-handle structure increases packing space by 13%. Premium travel-tested features include silent 360 degrees spinner wheels, explosion-proof zippers, TSA-approved locks, and a smooth multi-stage handle. Customers love its stylish look, smooth wheels, wide handle, and spacious interior, calling it a must-have for easy maneuvering, though durability reviews are mixed. Number 4. Travelkin Clear Luggage Cover Protectors. Travelkin Clear Luggage Cover Protectors are made from high-quality TPU, offering a more sustainable, transparent, flat, and wear-resistant alternative to PVC, staying flexible in winter and even self-repairing minor scratches. The top and sides use thickened elastic polyester with a double-opening top and hidden side zippers for a clean, functional design. This transparent cover shields luggage from scratches, dust, and rain while keeping your suitcase easily identifiable. A big loop closure at the bottom provides a firm, adaptable fit across multiple sizes, supported by a durable injection hook. Customers praise its fit, protection, and quality, though some find installation tight and sizing accuracy mixed, especially compared to inconsistent branded covers. Number 5. Samsonite Freeform Hardside Carry-On. The Samsonite Freeform Hardside 21-inch spinner maximizes packing power while meeting most domestic carry-on restrictions, offering a lightweight 6.5 pounds build with 19.5-inch by 14.5-inch by 10-inch packing space and 21.25-inch by 15.25-inch by 10-inch overall dimensions. Its ultra-light yet ultra-strong shell withstands modern travel, supported by a recessed TSA combination lock and expandable design for extra capacity. Samsonite's 10-year limited warranty ensures long-term reliability. Customers praise its smooth rolling four-wheel system, roomy compartments, organization pockets, and ability to fit a week's worth of items. Though durability feedback on wheels and zippers is mixed, many highlight its quality, secure locking system, stylish colors, and excellent value, making it a dependable carry-on choice. Number 6. Swissgear Shaun Soft Side Expandable. The Swissgear Shaun Soft Side Expandable Suitcase is a durable, scuff-resistant check bag ideal for week-long trips, offering ample storage, an expandable design, and a fully lined interior with tie-down straps, mesh pockets, a removable wet bag, and a packing pocket for small items. Built for easy maneuvering, it features 4 360-degree spinner wheels, a locking push/pull handle, and padded top, side, and bottom handles for smooth lifting in crowded airports. Backed by a 10-year warranty and 125 years of Swiss innovation, it delivers reliability and function at great value. Customers praise its spaciousness, lightweight build, sturdy wheels, strong zippers, and excellent price, though some report mixed durability of the handle and wheel movement. Number 7. Swissgear 7366 Signature Hard Side Expandable. The Swissgear 7366 Signature Hard Side Expandable Suitcase offers 23 by 16.75 by 11.25 inches of packing space in a durable, lightweight ABS shell designed to withstand frequent travel, with molded lift handles and a split case design that expands for extra capacity. Its 4 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels and push-button telescopic handle ensure smooth maneuverability through airports, while the patented built-in cup holder adds convenience on the go. Backed by a 10-year warranty and 125 years of Swiss innovation, it delivers dependable performance and smart organization with internal pockets that keep essentials tidy. Customers love its easy-to-spot colors, spacious size, smooth gliding wheels, and solid value, though some note mixed durability with wheel flexibility under heavier loads. Number 8. Amazon Basics 21-inch. The Amazon Basics 21-inch carry-on offers a durable, extra-thick ABS hardshell with a scratch-resistant finish, smooth four-wheel mobility, and a telescoping handle for effortless airport navigation, all within a compact 14.8 x 10 x 21.7-inch design ideal for 1 to 5-day trips. Its expandable capacity boosts packing space by up to 25%, while the organized interior, with a divider and 3 zippered pockets, keeps essentials neatly arranged. Customers appreciate its roomy yet lightweight build, sturdy wheels, and strong value for money, though some report mixed experiences with zipper quality and occasional handle issues. Reliable, practical, and budget-friendly, this carry-on is a smart choice for travelers who want convenience without overspending. Number 9. BagSmart Carry-On Luggage. The BagSmart Carry-On Luggage is a lightweight yet durable 42L travel companion designed for effortless boarding, featuring airline-approved 22 by 14 by 9 sizing that fits easily into overhead bins. Made from 100% thicker polycarbonate, it offers strong impact protection while staying easy to carry at just 6.83 pounds. Its 20% expansion adds valuable packing space, perfect for clothing, travel essentials, and even bulkier items. Smooth 8-direction spinner wheels ensure stable maneuverability across airports and different surfaces, while the TSA lock adds security on the go. Customers love its roomy interior, sleek look, organized compartments, and dependable performance, making it an excellent choice for work trips, school travel, and everyday adventures. Number 10. Crook Carry-On Luggage. The Crook Carry-On Luggage is a 20-inch airline-approved suitcase measuring 13.58 by 9.25 by 20.47 inches and weighing only 7.93 pounds, offering 40L of packing space perfect for short trips and business travel. Featuring a durable 70% polycarbonate and 30% ABS shell reinforced with an aluminum frame for maximum protection. Multi-functional hooks and internal pockets for organized storage. smooth rolling wheels for effortless maneuverability, and a TSA-approved impact-resistant lock for secure travel. With a USB and USB-C charging port, center divider for separating clothes, and high-quality construction praised by customers for sturdiness, lightweight design, ease of use, and long-lasting performance, making it an ideal carry-on for frequent travelers. All from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price after verifying the right product quality, and what is the customer's demand? If you want to know product details or prices or need any other kind of information, please comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.